Get moving. Here she comes.
What's going on here? What's going on?
Nothing good. I need a... Bitch.
Come on, cop it up, people. Don't be shy. Everything you got. Let's go.
No. Why do this?
I can handle this from here. You should check on Sean.
Okay.
Watch him, you big lout. Okay. None of you folks move a muscle. You hear me?
Get robbed.
Necessary. Please.
Give me everything you got.
You're better than this.
Reach for your money, nothing else. Make me hurt you. What is it? You all right?
Fill the baggage car.
For Christ's sake, you ain't even taken a look yet?
There's probably something in here, Arthur.
Arthur, we got a problem. There's two arseholes on horses.
How many you say?
I just see a pair of them.
In that case, we're fighting. Marston, Smith, get ready.
You men come out the train now, do you hear? We said you men come out now.
There's only two of you fools. We got a whole lot less to lose. Why don't the two of you ride away?
Come on, come through the trees, you see them? He's still breathing. Here, let's son of a bitch. Come on, get rid of him quick. We can make a run for it. Get your hand here, goddamn.
Behind us! We got more of the bastards riding in!
That was fun, boys. Real fun. We can see what they call you the professionals in the outfit.
Shut up.
At least we made some money. Hey, what did I get? Gotta be $100 here. Very nice.
You weren't even invited.
What now?
We still need a real big take. Enough for us to get